nyakubahwa umushyitsi mukuru twaje tutazi kwirwanaho mu gihe twatatswe n'umwanzi ariko kubera iri somo ry'imikino njyarugamba twarabimenye.
Where I'm from, sometimes it's not always the safest place to be due to the multicultural environment, but at least now I can go back with a new form of self-defense. So mom, dad, grandparents, you don't have to worry about me anymore.
nyakubahwa umushyitsi mukuru benshi twaje tutazi ko akarasisi gakorwa twabibonaga kuri televiziyo tutazi gukata iburyo ibumoso inyuma kuri komande. turabashimira ko mwashyizeho n'isomo rya karasisi mu masomo twize.
by that arrow. It extends from eastings 2-4 to 4-2, and northings 3-2 to 4-6. It is made to scale so that one side, small square on the model, represents 1 kilometer on the actual ground. I have used various aids to construct this model to represent natural and man-made features. The high raised modes of sand represent high grounds and volcanoes, like Muhawuna volcano. The green color represents vegetation, like the vegetation surrounding Muhawuna volcano. The blue color represents water masses, like Mureira. Black cylinder represents markets, like Musanze market. The house image represents built-up areas, like Gahunga built-up area. The plain image represents airstrips, like Musanze airstrip. The bridge symbol represents bridges, like Kagosa bridge. The names on the model represent known locations, like Karangana. The numbers surrounding the model represent grid coordinates. Review of the situation. Luwumba Republic and Rugari Republic are two neighboring countries, both sharing one common border and both gaining independence during the 1960s. Rugari regime and its security forces committed genocide, fleeing to the Luwumba Republic, maintaining their genocidal ideology. With the support of the Luwumba government, genocidal perpetrators from Rugari Republic formed a new militia group known as INDANGAMIRWA14. The goal of this militia group is to sustain and build their genocidal ideology, bringing it back to Rugari Republic. On 30th July 2004, INDANGAMIRWA forces invaded Rugari Republic along the Sinabyaye, Ninda, Chuve axis with the intention of capturing Musanze town. But Rugari forces successfully repulsed them, and they withdrew back to the Luwumba territory.